guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an extreme slime challenge. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a giant batch of fluffy slime and then I'm going to be recreating it in miniature version. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. And also, before we do get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. With that all being said now, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, so to make the fluffy slime, I have my bowl and I'm going to pour in some white glue. I think I used about like 1/3 of a gallon. Then to give this some color, I'm going to add some purple acrylic paint and I'm gonna mix that in. Because we are making fluffy slime, we will need shaving cream, so I'm gonna add some of that. And then I'm going to add some body lotion, and this will help the slime be more stretchy. I'm not sure how many pumps I added in, but you just want to add like a good amount and mix it all together. And the final step, of course, is to activate the slime, so that is what I'm gonna do. So the purple fluffy slime is all completed, and then I just went ahead and I made the same slime in different colors. So I did blue and pink. This is kind of optional, but I had a clear ice bucket and I thought it would be cute to store the slime in. So what I'm gonna do first is just add a cute face, because you guys know that I love adding cute faces. So I'm gonna do that with some acrylic paint. Okay guys, I went ahead and I layered the slime in the container and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to go ahead and recreate the slime in miniature version. And now for the mini slime, I have my mini bowl and I'm going to add some white glue. Fun fact, this mini bowl is actually a measuring spoon. One day I ended up dropping it by mistake and it broke, so it kind of just turned into a mini bowl. Anyway, I'm now going to add some purple acrylic paint and I'm gonna mix that in. Next, you want to add the shaving cream, and when I was making this slime, I kind of forgot to add the body lotion. So yeah, I'm now going to activate the slime. And then I just made the same slime in blue and pink. So now for the mini container, I'm actually using a shot glass, and using some acrylic paint, I'm just gonna add the same face that we did earlier. So here is the completed mini slime. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but we have them side by side so you can see the difference. And now you guys can let me know, are you team giant slime or mini? My favorite is definitely the giant slime because playing with this much slime is so much fun, but you guys can let me know which one is your favorite. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.